If you watched the last video, you'll know that, well, first of all, we had a bit of a spillage, didn't we? Didn't we, Becky?
I'm sorry.
So we've got the the bed sheet drying out on the dashboard today. Whilst you were faffing around making a mess in the back, I found on YouTube the best looking bread that we can make in the van. Turkish bread. So to cook the Turkish bread, you might be thinking that I want us to go to a Turkish restaurant. Well, no, we're going one step further, Becky. We are going
to Turkey.
To Turkey.
Yes.
Kind of.
Oh.
With a twist. We can't go to Turkey right now.
No.
But we could go to a turkey farm.
Oh my God, yes.
So,
let's find a turkey farm.
So according to the maps, there's a few turkey farms around. But the problem is, most of these that you look at, it's like off of a main road and there's nowhere to stealth camp because obviously they're going to lock up at night. Right, hold on. This one says you can view the turkey field from the old Cookham post office, now flats. So we need to find out where the old Cookham post office is. Ex-post office to become flats.
I feel like we're detectives.
The old post office in Cookham is set to be turned into a 2-bedroom flat. Convert the building in Big Frith Lane. Big Frith Lane. That is it. That is the same building. Hold on. Where is that picture? That's it.
Oh my God, yes.
That's the old post office and that's the new flat. The only fields you can view from it is over there. That must be the turkey farm there. As long as we can see a turkey around about the same time that we can cook the Turkish bread, then we are officially in Turkey cooking Turkish bread.
Absolutely.
How more Turkish can we be?
Exactly. To the turkey farm!
To the turkey farm!
To the turkey farm!
It's only 34 minutes away.
Lovely.
Everyone's always banging on about they have to get on a plane to go to Turkey. No, you don't.
Just drive.
It's in Big Frith Road. We've located the ingredient machine, aka Morrison's. Job done. I don't like the look of that black rain cloud.
No. We gon' get wet tonight.
You can turn the sat-nav off now because she's just taken us to the lane in general. So from here we've got to use our homing pigeon-like navigational skills to locate the old post office. Is that a turkey? Yeah. Is that an actual turkey in the field? I saw some massive neck thing. Well, hold on. There's the old post office. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. We can't really park here, can we? It's a bit wonky.
Yeah.
That's the turkey farm!
It's the turkey farm!
A good pair of binoculars, which I happen to have, by the way.
Yeah.
And we might even be able to see one gobbling down on some grass. What do they eat? Grass, maybe. Right, I've got a plan. We're going to turn around and see if we can see the turkeys out of this door. If not, we'll have to go back down to the other bit and see if there's any way there that we can see the turkeys. Thank you.
Cheers.
They're very friendly over here in Turkey, aren't they? Is this the road where we were a minute ago when I said I saw the turkey?
Yes.
We're not allowed to park here, but I'm going to, just briefly.
Yeah.
And then we're going to walk down that path. Right, what camera should we bring? And that, I believe, are the turkey tunnels. Right, we've got two options. There's a public footpath up there, and then there's one here. I think it's safe to say we have found a genuine turkey farm. Right, let's go in. How do we get in?
Yeah, it's a public footpath. How do we get this?
Look, and the van's right there, look. We're in. It is a bit cold, I'm not going to lie. Is that a turkey? What's that? That's a pheasant. A pheasant. Pheasant. These things down here are toys for the turkeys, according to Becky. Enrichment.
Yes.
So anyway, what I'm thinking, in the morning, we get our table and chairs and our cooker, and we literally come here.
Yeah.
Right, we might be in luck. I'm not 100% certain, but I think there's a turkey just behind this thing here. Can you hear it? Oh, Becky! Right, we've been walking now for quite a while. We've come past many a turkey tunnel. But as of yet...
I just had an idea. There's going to be no turkeys.
That's not an idea.
No, but there's swine flu's about. All the animals are being kept inside. Not swine flu, bird flu. All animals are being kept inside. My mate has them. Has chickens and they're like all in their house.
Surely, Victoria, you could have brought out this useful information at some point this morning.
It literally just came to my mind.
Right, well that's it. So we've just walked the entire length of a derelict turkey farm. Becky!
Oh my god, there's llamas! I'm a llama fuzzy llama. I love llamas.
I mean, technically, if you think about it, this is still Turkey.
Yeah.
It's just like if all the residents of Turkey left,
It would still be Turkey, yeah.
So this is still Turkey. By my calculations, if we go along here, there should be some sort of entrance into the farmhouse. It's open.
Lovely. What does that say?
Probably not for long. It's electric gates. The amount of turkey tunnels they've got back there,
There must be
be
millions.
thousands of turkeys somewhere. Put out a turkey call out the window. Oh look, visitors parking.
Nice.
Let's just see if we're allowed in that building. We might be able to pat one on the head. We'll say we've come all the way from England.
We are in England.
We're in Turkey.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Now the issue that we're facing is we can't park up and go to sleep by that post office because it's at an angle like that. And if we do that, we're going to wake up with either no blood in our heads or too much blood in our heads. Right, we have found this car park. Can you see any signs? Oh look, there's a camper van. Oh yeah, this back bit's flat as anything. So I don't think we have to be too stealthy tonight. There's a few cars in this car park, a fair few cars in this car park actually. Some mad noise coming from the bushes over there.
It's a deer.
Do I take you to some beautiful dirty car
do.
parks?
I love a dirty car park. Here we have the wild Adam.
What? Are you preening yourself?
We all know what I'm like. I'm going.
We're so lit up. Right guys, this is the lengths that we go to make a stunning, symmetrical thumbnail for you to feast your eyes on. Right, copy me, Becky.
Okay.
Put your arm like that,
Yeah.
and then look at the lens. Smile.
What?
Stick your head out and make it go limp. Right. Victoria. What the f*** is that?
My nose.
Oh. I thought the aliens were upon us.
I was looking at the stars like you were. Fine. Now look at the imaginary llama. There's a car. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Do you know how bad this looks from that angle over there with that car? Honestly, this looks so
bad.
dodgy from the point of view of those two cars over there. In fact, I'm going to come around and show you what it looks like.
Yeah, do it.
Right, so over there is a car full of people laughing their heads off. And there's another one there, and I'm not surprised because this is what it looks like.
Imagine if you saw this in someone's car.
Don't look at them, Jesus. It was a little bit cold when we first got in here. I ran the camping heater for 2 minutes, and it's well hot in here now. What are you doing under the covers still? You look like you're freezing.
No, I'm
Oh, you're hiding from the smell?
Yeah, stinky.
She does not like the smell of the camping heater because apparently it smells like fumes that make her hallucinate in the night. This is what we've got. If you don't know by now, Becky is a massive fan of Battenberg cakes, aka
The batty bees. Do it together.
Okay, fine. I'll cut that bit out.
Yes.
Where we said it separately, and we'll do it together.
Yeah.
Ready?
The batty bees.
Right, we found these earlier. They are, what are they?
Moist lemon-flavoured checkered sponge wrapped in a soft raspberry-flavoured paste.
Paste?
Yeah.
It's going to be marzipan. Oh, hold
So
on a
paste.
sec. We've been con. That's flavour paste. There's no marzipan. These are not authentic batty bees.
Oh.
Trifle roll, please. Sorry.
That wasn't done.
Okay, do it again. This is rhubarb. Is it rhubarb and custard?
Yeah.
Or just rhubarb and... Or
It's
custard's in the trifle anyway,
Yeah,
so it's
exactly.
just a rhubarb
It's just
trifle.
A rhubarb. I really need to pee.
Hold that.
No, don't squeeze
I'm
me.
gonna squeeze you. What do you think I am? We're gonna go and clean our teeth, get back in the van, put on a couple of YouTubes on the big screen. I don't know, I haven't watched it for a couple of days, so there might be some new van life adventures or something to watch. Maybe from one of you guys. And then we're gonna get some sleep.
Oh, it's so cold.
Logan just told me that he's never had a beach fire before, which is crazy.
And as usual, every single car in the car park is facing the correct way. And then there's just us, sideways. Good morning, Victoria.
Good morning.
The world is looking quite nice out
Is
here.
it?
I need to just move the van. Becketh, what are you doing?
Making coffee.
The coffee maid is making the morning coffees. I nearly took the drone clean out under a bridge. I'm assuming I have to get my own milk then.
Oh, yeah.
Gosh, just non-stop strenuous work when you're out with Becky. Having to get my own milk for my coffee. What are you doing?
The cat was really warm.
Right, we're just going to finish up these coffees and then we're going to get on with the cooking of the Turkish bread.
Woo!
She's struggling to open the back door. She's really struggling to open the back door. Becky, it's open.
It's not open.
Jeez.
It's not.
There we go. I can hear her struggling again. I'll do it.
Oh.
How much fun are you having today? You might think it's a little unfair that Becky does all the work, but honestly she loves it. She's in her element right now. Plus, I've got a hard job of offering her words of encouragement. Go on, Becky, that's it, that's it.
Thank you.
Sweep harder, that's it, the good sweeping. You are the sweep queen. And here we have our cooking show set up with our beautiful host and our beautiful camera and our lovely ice cream man in the background. Morning! Well, I'm going to stick the recipe for this in the description so that if it's not a complete disaster, you guys can do it too. Yeah, that's about right. Oh, there's 3 grains too much. Right, half of the bag. Is that about half the bag? Okay, now we're stirring it up with a not stolen wooden fork. Water and milk in there. It's coming together nicely. What's the texture feeling like?
Feels great. It's nice and soft, slightly elastic.
Last step, add a bit of oil. It says 3 tablespoons, but we're going to do 1.5. Job done so far. I think you've done a very good job. High, oh no, not with them hands. Right, lid on. It's got to be airtight. Does that click or does it just sit? Well, a cheap one, why isn't it? Oh no, it's got to click, surely.
It doesn't.
Yes, it does. Give it a bit of force, my dear.
Wally!
We're going to stick it on the dashboard because it's just about warm enough out there.
Right, our little baby. Please sleep for an hour.
go get some rest. We're all set for the trip to Turkey. Is there anything else we need before we cross the border?
No.
Is it doubled in size?
Yeah, it's proving really well.
It's proving to be a great success.
Right.
The sunshine has made an appearance, which is pretty good.
Especially for the bread.
Fingers crossed they've restocked their turkey stock. What was that?
I don't know. It's probably the hummus and the olives.
Is that what hummus does?
Funny food. Oh.
We didn't know whether we were allowed to come and see any of the turkeys.
They're not here yet.
Yeah, well, we did notice in the field they weren't there. We thought maybe they were like, I don't know, in a cupboard or something.
In the cupboard.
Cheers. Well, at least we know that this is the home of the turkey. Therefore, it is still technically Turkey.
Yep.
Let's sneak round the back entrance.
Yep.
Rock up by that gate and see if we can get through border control. Right, we'll just reverse up here again and hope no one kicks off.
Excellent parking, Adam.
Thank you, Victoria. We're ready. Let's go. This is the problem with England. 5 minutes ago, I'm saying how sunny it is and how hot it is, and now we've had to get our jackets because the clouds have ruined our lives. But we're ready to go.
After you, kind sir.
Right, this looks to be the perfect spot to set up our kitchen. Can you notice anything possibly missing from this equation? Or do you think maybe we should just get the bread and just slap it directly on the flame?
Yeah.
Alright, a trek back to the van. It was bound to happen, wasn't it? We've forgotten the pan. I was just thinking what would be well funny is if the farmer goes up to Becky now to ask what the hell she's playing at. She's sat there on her own with 2 chairs, a table. It looks like she's having a date and she's been stood up in the middle of the turkey farm.
Oh, it bit me! Oh, bad monkey! Oh, she's a
looking
beauty.
Break it into 4 sections. Now slap one down on the board. Here we are deep in the middle of Turkey and you guys are lucky enough to get to witness a bread rolling master at work. That is a mighty fine rolling you've done there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 all prepared. The bread is looking good, but dark clouds appear to be moving in. Since you've pretty much made this entirely on your own, you can do the honours. Break a bit off.
Oh, it smells like bread. Yum.
Right, try it without the hummus first to see what it's like. Honestly, that is the best thing ever.
Oh. Oh my god, it's amazing.
Does it taste professional?
It does.
Out of 10.
12.
Alright guys, I consider this a success. Turkish bread in Turkey with Becky, and it tastes good.
Oh yeah, this one needs to flip.
We're going to finish up this food before the rain starts coming down or we get thrown out. Let's enjoy.